right now, we're going to move on to former President Trump defending his social media platform after big shifts in the stock price. He's calling Trump media and technology groups solid after shares initially soared but then dropped more than 20%. Senior investigative correspondent Aaron Katersky joins me now for more on that. Aaron, this 20% drop wiped out $2 billion in value, the value of Trump's stake along with it. How significant is that?
Well, it's significant because on paper, Trump made billions, and a lot of the other stakeholders did as well. But with the stock dropping, that value diminishes, although it's fluctuated. And truthfully, there really aren't that many shares available to buy and sell because so many of them are locked up with Trump and the other initial stakeholders. Today, the stock has been down more than 3%, and many investors are almost betting that it's not going to do well, and so they're trying to short it. But because there are so few shares available to buy and sell, shorting it's been a pretty expensive proposition. So Wall Street's having a bit of fun, but the true value of Truth Social, I think, has yet to be determined.
This comes as two brothers who helped fund the platform are facing up to 20 years in prison for insider trading. How does that factor into all of this? It
doesn't affect Trump media now, and it doesn't touch the former president at all as a criminal matter. But these two brothers were early investors in the Digital World Acquisition Company. This is like a shell company that helped take Trump media public, and they managed to get one of their associates on the board of the company. He gave them proprietary information that they have now admitted they traded on, making about $22 million in illegal profits.
Meanwhile, Trump's criminal hush money trial is set to start this month after a judge ruled that he is not immune to prosecution. What was behind that decision?
The judge didn't necessarily rule on the merits of Trump's argument that he is immune because of presidential immunity. And Trump never really argued that the conduct at issue in New York took place while he was in office. But he did sort of say this blanket immunity applied. And the judge didn't even have to get into it because he said Trump never raised it as a defense in a timely fashion, said he had myriad opportunities to try and get out of the case by raising presidential immunity, and he waited until the last minute, so the judge said he wasn't even going to entertain it.
All right, senior investigative correspondent Aaron Katersky, thank you.
Thanks, Diane.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.